So look good how clean my hands are after grinding for 3 hours.
Yeah, and your face and everything else.
It's just amazing.
Yeah, good work, good work.
Anyway, I've been left with this little section here. Let's try and pry this off somewhere. Jordan's going to hold that because I have got a mic in my hand, but that's fine. Knock that off like that. Cool. People might think, oh, you're only doing that little bit and you still got eye protection and ear protection. Yeah, because safety first, and I'm not an idiot. So yeah, I'm going to be wearing ear defenders, eyeglass, even if I am just doing this little bit flat surface. I don't care. Safety first.
Yeah, suck it.